Good day. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around as I introduce you to the wonder plant that's taking the health world by storm, Amla, also known as the Indian Gooseberry. Amla, scientifically known as Phyllanthus emblica, is a powerhouse of goodness. This little green fruit is loaded with vitamin C, making it a superb antioxidant and anti-inflammatory hero. It's your go-to for boosting immunity, improving digestion, and achieving radiant skin and luscious hair. Now, let's talk about its care. Amla loves a good drink, but in moderation. Think of it as a plant that enjoys a casual sip rather than a chug. Water deeply every 7 to 10 days, and it will be as happy as can be. This sun-loving beauty thrives in warm climates, so plant it in spring for the best results. When its fruits turn greenish-yellow, it's harvest time. Amla prefers well-drained, loamy soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Give it plenty of sunlight, about 6 to 8 hours a day, and watch it flourish. But wait, there's more. Amla isn't just any fruit, it's a natural medicine chest. It can help manage diabetes, reduce cholesterol levels, and even promote heart health. Transform your garden and your health with Amla, a small fruit with supersized benefit.